Okay, now we are unboxing a shipment from Daniel Engelhardt, Französische Klassieker. Let's see what we have for exciting things inside. Box is quite well packaged. Just 2 days from all the way from Germany to Sweden. So do we have that, Victor? Oh, the right one actually. This is the window wiper mechanism, and it has the right axle for a GS handle. New old stock. Beautiful stuff.
Yes.
So, shall we put it aside? Good.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh yeah, very nice. So. Nothing more in the box.
No.
What do we have there? Oops. Okay, what do we have there? Oh, I think this is the.
I have no.
This is the
Here we got
a carburetor seal for Weber 30 GGS for the Citroen GS.
Then it
Very
says
nice.
something here.
Very nice.
In
Carburetti Weber. So here we have ceilings. This is the caliper renovation kits. Steering knuckle. Oh, this one is really tight. This one costs around 80 euros. So now can we see and compare if we have all the stuff we need. Okay, we found the window lifter mechanism. We found the carburetor sealing kit. We found the caliper repair kit. These are those small things. The carburetor sealing is this one. Then we got the gator oil seal for gearbox. 2 sealings for the gearbox. Then we have the lock washer for ball pin direction rod. That's this one. Cost €4.46. The ball pin for the direction rod. High grade refabrication for €103. It cost a quarter of what the whole car cost when I bought it. In the package that was supposed to be found, and we completed the unboxing with some more nice things from another supplier. Nice asbestos-free, children-proof brake pads. And not forget to forget, nice brake discs, brand new GSA brake discs. So, ready, unboxing a nice package.